Hey guys, and today, obviously from the title, you know that I'm doing some old slimes, versus some old slimes versus, a couple new ones. So, yeah, let's get on to the video. So, I have this. No, first I have these two new slimes. They're a day old. I made them yesterday with my friends. So this is the first one. Yeah. And then they're both like almost the same color, and then there's this one. So, and then for my old slimes, I have this one, which I made a pretty long time ago, so I haven't touched it for a while. And then this one, we went on vacation for a bit, so the old ones are gonna be like I don't know. So yeah, let's get on to the video. First I'm gonna do this against let's see, I'm gonna do it against this one. So yeah, this one's obviously way bigger, so, and then there's this one. So, and then I have some tide in the background. Right there. That I should probably get. So just like, and yes, I'm in my sister's room because she has this little table here. It's really cute. So now that I have the tide cord, we can get started. In case any of them are too sticky. So yeah. So first I'm gonna play with this one, this new one that I had from yesterday. So just on the lid. So I'm gonna get it off, so don't judge me. Okay. Oh, it's all foamy. Look at this. I'm not sure if you can see it, but hey, it's all foamy. Oh, this is good. Oh, okay. This is good. So yeah, this slime is obviously good because I had it from yesterday. It's it has a really nice texture to it, like like soft. It has like a, not soft, but like I don't know how to explain the texture, but it's not that sticky. It's pretty good, and the clicks are good. And then the bubbles are also pretty good. So let's see if the bubbles are good. Sometimes I do bubbles like this, and sometimes I don't. So yeah, like, they're pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. So now I'm gonna try the one that I made. Like, this is like a mixture of like a bunch of blue slimes that I made that were like the same color. So yeah. Wow, this one's kind of like foamy too. You know what I'm gonna do? It's gonna look really satisfying. I'm guessing it's like really liquidy, so and then I'm gonna lift it up once it goes down. Oh, it hasn't gone down. So I'm guessing this is almost a good slime. Wow. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for that to go down. So I'm gonna give it a little help going down. Like going up and down, up and down. Okay. So, and this slime, it used to be like like it used to feel like really good. It used to feel like fluffy and yeah, so whoa. You should see what's happening. It's like two different sections. And then look up here. Okay, so let me get this out. Oh, that's sticky. Whoa. Oh gosh, this is really sticky. Oh my gosh. Got all out of the container. Might want to add some Tide to this. Oh gosh. Yeah, so this one is really big, so I might want to clear this little tiny table off. Okay, so looks are pretty good. So let's see about the bubbles.